throw the ball, keep our body as steady as possible in a vertical position because we want to work on the torso area. Alright, so this is 30 seconds per round. We're doing 2 rounds. Alright, so one standing, one kneeling. So, Cardine, you ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We go. 1. 2, 1, go. I feel strangey. Two, 1. Alright, so in keeping with the foot exercise, this is one of the many foot exercise workout that we'll be doing. So the normal way is to do it like this here, but I'm going to use some way to add some more resistance to my workout, and these are 20 pounds. Right? Alright, so Caroline will be doing hers in a short while. Oh, 1. 'Oh, I passed it. There we go. No problem. Alright, go Cardi. Right, so the key thing that you see there is you try to keep your back as vertical as possible. And that is what Caroline is doing. And try to carry your knees, the back knee as close as possible to the ground. That's Caroline, well done. You're going well. You have 10 seconds to go. Yes. So we do 2 rounds of 30. 4, 3, 2, 1. Good to go. Alright. So before we start, this is we use here as a step, but instead of going forward, show the front way for me, Caroline. Before we go this way, we're doing it backwards, right? And it's to exercise. All right, good. It's to exercise this area of the thigh, right? So Caroline will be going on our 30 seconds, and I'll do it on mine. So this is a low one for persons who cannot go to the high one. All right. So Caroline, you will be ready in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Right, there we go. So we're going to rhythm. Good work. 15 seconds to go. So, 5 to go. 1. Well done. Alright. I'm going to take these off. Good. Yeah, use that. 4, 3, 2, 1, go. So in this round, Caroline is using an additional restraint, which is the dumbbells. More restraint, more resistance. 4, 3, 2, 1, go. All right. Go with a little speed this time. Strike, come on. Right. Are ready? This up. All right. Oh, so you mean the two with the power inside? All right.
Opposite.
Opposite. All right. So 3, 2, 1, go. Get me not do that?
Which one again?
For this. You can do the other one if you want. There you go. Sorry. I'm gonna go 15 minutes there, that one. Make sure you. One.